Welcome, everybody. Now, if you have spent any time in the world of data science or machine learning, you've heard of this orange book, the famous The Elements of Statistical Learning by Hastie, Shirani, and Friedman. It's considered the Bible of our field. But let's be honest. For most of us, this book sits on a shelf looking impressive, or it's a PDF we open, read 2 pages, and just lose hope because of the dense mathematics, and we promptly close it. The book is brilliant, but no doubt this book is intimidating. I am Shashank Sharma, the machine learning math nerd, and I'm here to change that. Welcome to lesson 0. Today, I'm laying out our mission statement. Our mission is simple and ambitious. We are going to perform a deep dive into every single chapter and section of this book. We aren't just skimming the surface or looking at high level summaries. From linear regression and basis expansions to neural networks and boosting, we are going through it all, page by page, section by section. This channel is for the person who doesn't just want to know how to use a particular library, but also wants to understand the mathematics under the hood. What will we do in our playlist and in our content? Pillar 1, we will teach simply. I believe if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Pillar 2, we will elucidate with retention. It's one thing to watch a video, but it's another to remember it a week later and actually have that knowledge cemented. Pillar 3, step by step, hand derived mathematical expressions. This is where most of us get lost. I'm bringing out the digital whiteboard and we'll do the math hand and line by line. Also, it's not just theory. We will code clearly. Mathematics may be the soul, but the code is how we implement. We'll translate those complex algorithms into clean, readable Python code. I know we are looking at a 700-page math heavy book. It can feel like a chore, but I promise you, difficult concepts will be made fun and easy to follow. We're going to treat it like an adventure into the heart of machine learning. By the time we are done, you won't just be a user of ML, you would be the master of the statistical and probabilistic foundations that drive it. So grab a coffee, get a notebook, get a computer, and let's get started.